In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to simplify complex content using the ChatGPT Atlas app, making even the most intricate topics accessible to beginners. It's a fantastic tool for anyone looking to get concise explanations of complicated subjects. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a curious mind wanting to learn something new. Let's walk through the process together to ensure you can use this app efficiently and effectively. First things first, we need to open the ChatGPT Atlas app. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure you have this handy application ready on your device. The ChatGPT Atlas app is a gateway to simplifying information, and opening it is your first step toward making complex knowledge more digestible. Once you have the app up and running, the next step is to navigate to the website that contains the information you want to simplify. For our example, let's use Investopedia, specifically a page about complex capital structures. This website is known for its detailed content about financial terms and concepts, which can sometimes be overwhelming for beginners. Now that you've opened the desired web page, the third step involves interfacing with ChatGPT. Look for the sidebar labeled Ask ChatGPT. This is your direct link to simplifying the content on the current page. Clicking this sidebar brings up a prompt box where you can input specific instructions. The app makes it effortless to leverage AI's power to break down complex information into simpler, bite-sized pieces. Next, we need to craft a suitable prompt. For our purpose today, a good starting point is to type the prompt, "Simplify this page for beginners." This command is designed to ask ChatGPT to process the information on the web page and present it in a format that's easier to understand. When entering your prompt, try to be as clear and concise as possible because this helps the AI understand exactly what you're asking for. Remember, the goal here is accessibility, so think of how you would explain the content to someone new to the topic. Once you've entered your prompt, it's time to click Submit. This action sends your request to ChatGPT, which will then work its magic and return a simplified version of the web page content tailored for beginners. It's fascinating to watch, as this AI deconstructs complex topics and presents them in a straightforward and easy-to-digest manner. There you have it, a simple and efficient method to make complicated information more accessible using the ChatGPT Atlas app. With these steps, you can easily decode any complex topic, grow your understanding, and make informed decisions whether you're studying, working on research, or just exploring new knowledge areas. Thank you for tuning in. And I hope you find this tool as useful as I do in making the learning process smoother and more enjoyable.